Warning, the following video contains graphic footage and may not be suitable for all audiences. Every year, 13 million hectares of tropical rainforest are destroyed and nearly 50,000 species go extinct. Many sources blame deforestation on loggers or industrialists. However, we hope to give you further insight into the true source of the problem. So, what's causing the tropical rainforest to decrease in size so rapidly? Fire? A little known fact about rainforests is that they are actually called rainforests because they are similar to other forests, but they get a lot of rain. As everyone knows, water puts out fire. Therefore, if a fire were to ever start, it would quickly be suppressed by the pouring rains. Global warming? Tropical areas are warm. After all, it's near the equator. A couple of degrees won't matter. The trees knew what they were getting into when they migrated there. So, what is the source of our problem then? Have you figured it out yet? That's right. Vegetarians. Merriam-Webster defines vegetarian as one who believes in or practices vegetarianism. Upon further investigation, we found that they define vegetarianism as the theory or practice of living on a vegetarian diet. Upon even further investigation, we found that they define vegetarian as one who believes in or practices vegetarianism. After several more hours of research, we came to the conclusion that vegetarians are people who eat plants as a meal source, not animals. As a result, they must eat at least 4 times more than most meat eaters due to the lack of complete proteins. Now, if everyone were to eat 4 times the amount in leaf matter, this would indeed put unneeded pressures upon the already struggling rainforest. This vegetarianism trend was only exacerbated by the Hollywood Society and models with their 18-inch waists. People all over the world began eating less and less meat. In order to achieve their ideal body size, many started eating healthy. Before anyone knew it, the salad was the new Big Mac. No, not like that. Bingo. Due to increase in demand, farmers needed to find ways to efficiently produce this new hot commodity. Plants and their tree relatives are bred in large, overcrowded enclosures known as forests. These forests are packed so densely, the trees do not even have room to walk around. Most trees have not moved more than a few inches their entire lives. They are also forced to wallow in the decaying remains of not only others, but of themselves. Their living conditions are truly atrocious. Trees must remain outdoors even in the most inclement of weather. On particularly cold nights, you can even see the trees shivering. Some are lucky enough to gain access to the indoors, but are then trapped in pots and left to collect dust in the corner. During their miserable and short lifespan, trees are in constant danger of being eaten. Sometimes, they are even butchered alive. Although you may be thinking, surely things can't be this bad, this must be the worst-case scenario. Please take a moment to consider the consequences of vegetarianism. Trees make oxygen. People breathe oxygen. People make carbon dioxide. Trees eat carbon dioxide. When this cycle is disrupted, however, and people start eating trees, well, you know. As you can see, vegetarianism is not only cruel, it is also quite dangerous. Normally, such a self-destructive pattern of behavior would correct itself. The vegetarians would eat all the trees and perish once their oxygen supply was depleted. However, these gluttons share the planet with a group of selfless individuals known as the meat eaters. In an attempt to counteract the damage done by vegetarians, these altruistic beings eat animals because animals eat trees. In addition to vegetarianism having a negative effect on the environment, consider its effect on the human body as well. Here, we provide 3 undeniable scientific reasons why eating meat is superior to eating our oxygen-producing friends. 1. Protein molecules, such as those found in steak, turkey, and beefaroni, make you strong and handsome. 2. Vegetable molecules, on the other hand, make you weak and orange. 3. Tofu is gross. Please, think about what you've seen today. The next time you're hungry, choose meat, not vegetables. Do it for the trees. Do it for the earth. Do it for yourself.